Hello everyone, you are watching Daily English, Day 5 from TeacherTechTube. This is Sam, your personalized English speaking coach. Today I am gonna teach you how to say thank you in different ways, formal and informal. This is one of the most repeated spoken word across the globe. When do we say thank you? Someone helped you with something at a point, to whom you should say thank you. We should thank everyone who helped you. It might even be your family members, or friends or colleagues or strangers, or anyone. Formal thanks can be given to colleagues, seniors and other officials. Your help means a lot to me. I am pleased by your timely help. I owe you. I am much obliged. I am very grateful to you. That is the most good of you. Much appreciated. Informal can be given to friends and relations. Thanks, thank a ton, thank you very much, thanks a lot, many thanks to you. I can't thank you enough, so nice of you. Yet, thank you is widely used to thank someone, which is accepted. That's all for today. So I thank you. Please subscribe to TeacherTechTube and stay tuned for more updates by clicking the bell icon.